Hi guys, the box is here. FabFitFun. Guys, you know that I love to receive this box. I get super excited. As soon as I get it, guys, I open it, I go through it. I can't, you know, some of my packages, I leave them closed till I make a video, but not this one. Guys, as soon as I get this box, I have to look inside and see what goodies I got. For my last two unboxing and reviews, I love this box. So let's get into it. Let's see what's in here. Well, I know what's in here. Let me show you what's in here. Guys, you know, I already opened it, so the paper is open. I'm just gonna get into it. All right, so let me show you guys first what I got. This is a seasonal box, and I believe it's $49.99 a month. I'll leave a link in the bottom if you guys are interested. Trust me, guys, this is my third box, and I never been disappointed in any other box. And every box you get their magazine, and I love their magazine because it talks about the product, also incorporates the products that are in here and some that you may have received in your box in different articles. It even has Ellen in here, so I'm excited. I love Ellen. I love her. Let's get into it. For your seasonal box, you can opt to pick 3 items in your box. My 3 items that I should show you the first one. The first one is going to be this cute, I love rose gold. It's this cute rose gold bracelet that I love. And it has a little charm, or yeah, it has a charm on it. I think it's a letter A or J, I'm not really sure. So I love that. This is one of my picks because I just thought it's pretty and simple. You can't go wrong with accessories. Okay, so then the next item that I picked in my box is by Kate in Somerville. It's goat milk, and it's a moisturizer, guys. I've been looking for a good moisturizer. I'm turning 48. Oh, I did turn 48 yesterday. Yeah, 48. Turned 48 yesterday. I need to take better care of my skin, and you know, as I'm getting older, I just see changes in my skin, my hair, and other things. So, so I've been just researching different products that will help me as I age to try to keep my skin hydrated, my hair, my nails, just everything. All right, so in the box, it has a coupon, say 20% plus free shipping, which is good. You never know, if I like it, I might want to reorder. It smells good. It smells good. It's nothing strong or anything, just a nice clean smell. It's nothing overwhelming. Oh, I like that. Especially before bed, you know, when you take a shower and you want to just hydrate your skin. This is good. Like I said, it's not. That was the second product. The third product I got were these slippers. These slippers are from PJ Savage. Look how nice and soft. They like faux fur. So these are cute. PJ Savage. But these are cute. I love them. You know, in the house, I normally wear. See them? I love them. And that's what I normally wear in the house. But there's some days when it's really cold that I want to wear some nice cozy slippers. So that's why I picked these. Or if I travel somewhere and I want to wear slippers, I like to have nice slippers. Like this weekend, we went away and we were at a hotel. So I could have wore these, but I was waiting for the unboxing. Let me just do a recap of the 3 things that I chose and how much I paid for it, because I forgot to mention that. The PJ Savage slippers are $45, guys. And look, they have a nice thick sole. They're not dingy. And you won't go sliding because they have the traction on the bottom. So these are cute. I love the gray and I love the knitted design as well. Swarovski crystal bracelet, and it retails for 39 bucks. The goats and the goat milk moisturizing cream retails for $65, guys. This alone paid for my box plus. So Dry Bar Prep Valley is actually a prime and pre detangler. Okay, so this is actually pretty good. It has biotin, vitamin B and C, a sea berry oil to protect against heat. So that's actually good, especially me flat ironing my hair. So I'm excited to use this. It's a leave-in and it softens and conditions your hair. So I am excited to use this. And on the side of the bottle, it says it protects up to 450 degrees, I guess, heat in your hair. So this is what the bottle looks like, guys. I'm really excited to use this. And it also retails for $23. If it works, it's not bad. Anything that's gonna take care of my hair, I'll buy. Okay, so the next product that was given to me, and I am not sure how to pronounce the name, so therefore I'm not gonna say it. Dead Sea Sea Salt. And this I'm gonna give to Paul to use. He can benefit from this. Minerals help erase muscle tension and leave you with soft skin. And it retails for $16. So I am gonna have Paul try this. You sprinkle some into your bath, and I guess you just lay in there like you would even if you were using the Epsom salt or bubble bath. Yeah, and it's supposed to relieve tension, which is great. And then the bonus is that it leaves your skin soft. So we will see. I'll let you guys know how it works out. Guys, a planner, and I had to get one, but I knew that this one was coming in this box, so I didn't get a planner. So we're gonna open it together because I haven't opened it. All right, 2020. I love the colors. I love the gold here. I love gold. And the floral. Okay, let's see how it looks inside. First page is personal information. And then let's see how it looks. Okay, so then oh, this is great. It has the calendar, but guess what it has here, guys? All the holidays. Yes. And when you're a creator, holidays are important because you always want to make sure that you're ahead of your game. So by having this makes it easy for me, because and then I could write into my planner when I have to start prepping for holidays and putting out t-shirts and certain tutus and things for certain holidays ahead of time. Loving it. Okay, so then this is how the top looks with all the tabs. So I'm happy about this. I like it. I'm glad. And my other one's a tad bit bigger than this, last year's planner. I don't like them too big because I'm always up and down with them. This is like a perfect size, and I can write, you know, whatever I need to write, appointments, orders, whatever, and pre-planning, anything with the boutique, I can be written in here while I'm in bed. And this retails for $27.95, guys. $27.95. My next product that I got in my box is called Original Pink. It's a makeup remover, and I love this, love this, love this, because I don't have one. And I usually use the makeup wipes when I do wear makeup. So this is what it looks like out of the box. Let's open it and let's see how it feels. Ooh, this feels soft. Feels soft, guys. Ooh, ooh. So, waterproof mascara to bronzer and blush. This reusable makeup remover erases the day with just water. And it retails for 20 bucks, guys. Not bad, because you get to reuse it. Just throw this bad boy into the wash and you can reuse it. I'll let you guys know how it works. So this is the last item. So it's a Calm and Clean hand and body wash. It's a daily cleaner with lavender oil. And you guys know I always talk about how I use lavender oil, especially in the summer for the mosquitoes. Everything in the house that I wash, like clean clothes, everything, the floors is lavender. I burn lavender candles and the lavender oils because it prevents mosquitoes, because they hate it. Plus is relaxing, especially like for me, that sometimes some days I have the depression and my back. I have the depression and the anxiety. It actually helps to relax you. So lavender oil and spraying lavender oil on your bed, and it really is helpful. Ooh, this smells good. It smells good. You can smell the lavender. This is cute. Well, I'm excited to use this as a I got it on my hands. And it's soap. I'm excited to use this as a body wash. It says, it calms your senses as you cleanse with a relaxing blend of lavender oil, provitamins B5, and shea butter. $39.95. Oh my God, I can smell it. It smells so good. I'm gonna use that tonight. All right, guys, so those are all my items. I'm excited about all of them. I love all of them. I can't wait to use all of them. And I'm so happy to have shared them all with you guys. I just want to take the time and tell you guys thank you so much for tuning in and watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't done already, hit that subscribe button on the bell. Make sure you like this video and share it, guys. I'm also going to put a link on the bottom. And if you want to give it a try, you'll get $15 off your first box. So your first box will be $34.99. And then after that, your next two boxes will be $49.99 each. And remember, it's seasonal. So you won't be paying $49.99 each month. You'll only be paying $49.99 for your summer, your fall, and your winter box, guys. I'm telling you guys, this is the first year that I've done all three boxes, and there has not been one item in that box that I have not been able to use or that I can say I did not like, because honestly I like them. The magazine is also interesting, and it's good to go back into it and refer to all the products that you received in your box and read up on them as well. So I love this at night. I get into bed and I just read about each product that I got, and there's other interesting articles in this magazine. They also give you recipes. Okay, so you won't be disappointed in the box. So make sure that you go and you click on that link in the bottom and get those $15 off your first box. And once again, it's simply Nena with Crafting, Cooking, and Sazon. To the next video, guys. Bye.